What if there was a method to earn $100 every day with no work, no investment, and no prior experience needed? Well, $5 may seem insignificant, but it quickly adds up, and you can expect to see your balance increase every day. In fact, many people all around the world are currently earning $100 to $500 every day using this unique method. They're just ordinary people who have taken advantage of this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. You're fortunate because you click on this video, and by viewing it right now, you'll be one of the lucky few to discover the unique way of earning money online. I'll teach you everything step by step in this brief video, including how to sign up for a free demo as an example. Stay tuned for some unique bonus steps to earn double or even triple. This will be a simple way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you how to generate money rapidly using the greatest and most effective platforms if you're interested. Before we get into these brand new websites, we regularly publish new ways to generate money online. So make sure you finish watching the video and keep an eye out for new methods so you can be one of the first to try them out. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. So, first and foremost, I encourage you to visit this website where you may search for various photos and images that you can download for free. Just enter pexels.com on your search bar to be directly redirected to this website. All you need to do now is enter black and white photos. By doing so, you will be redirected to this page where you can view all of the amazing monochromatic pictures. This is precisely our chance to make money online by utilizing all of these pictures right here. Just pick an image and click on download right here. Once you already have the picture, all you need to do now is to proceed to the next website by entering hotpot.ai on your Google search engine. This website enables you to colorize black and white photographs. For instance, if your photo is black and white, like the one on the left, you may colorize it using this free service, which can help you generate money online. So, if you go down on this page, you can see over here where you can upload black and white photos and can be able to change a black and white image like this into a colored image like this. After that, you can sell them for $5, $10, or $20. So, I'll show you how to accomplish it in a few minutes. I'll show you a handful of websites where we can start offering this service to others and start making money. When you get to the bottom of the page, click on the colorization factor where you can choose whatever you like. Then use this option to choose which photos should be in black and white. So, I'll go ahead and press this button right here, and I'll be able to upload images to this website. And remember that you can do the same thing on your phone. This free website is significant since it lets you colorize your photos. As you can see, we can easily compare these images and notice that they have true colors from black and white photos. This is quite cool because you can submit photos with just one click of a button and without any technical knowledge on this website. The results can then be downloaded by clicking on this download button. The insane thing about this website is you don't need to create your own account. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for you. Just go ahead and try this out after watching this video. So, coloring pictures is the first thing you can do with this website. Also, keep watching this video because I'll show you how to generate money online by leveraging the service and this website. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. The second option that you may learn in this video is removing the background of the photo. Just go to remove.bg. Basically, you can do this for free and it's totally automated on this website. You can remove the background of a photo, such as this one with a girl, and then the trees and all the backgrounds behind her on this page. So, once you've used this software and went to this website, you'll be able to eliminate the background and just see the girl and the guy. This is how you can use this new opportunity to remove the background. Now, return to this page and click on this blue icon to upload a photo. In just one click, I already upload the image and start removing the background. Once you finish removing the background, you will now download the image by clicking this download right here. As you can see, I don't need to create an account or spend any money to continue downloading this. It doesn't matter if you do it on your computer or on your phone. Now, I'd like to show you a couple of platforms where you can make money by utilizing their services. For the first website that we will be using, just go to Google and enter Fiverr.com. When you get to this page, type in a term, such as colorized photos, and then hit the search button right here. By doing so, you will be redirected to this page wherein you can see all of the people who offer these services. As you can see, people will colorize a black and white photograph. Take this one for example, where they transform black and white pictures into colorful ones, and cost $10 to do so. And as you can see, other people have expressed their satisfaction with the services. This shows that people are willing to pay for the services. Many people from all over the world profit from the opportunity to color black and white photographs. You can accomplish the same thing using the website hotpot.ai, which I previously shown. So, let's pretend that the seller is offering his professional coloring services, and all he does is transform black and white photos into colorful pictures and sell for a set of price. Just go to the calculator and try to compute his earnings. As you can see, he has 691 customers already and multiplied it by $10. Boom! As you can see, this person right here has already made $6,910 by just colorizing monochromatic images. Coloring images on a free website like this one can earn you a substantial sum of money. What's more, you have the option of creating your own basic bundle, a normal package for $30 or a premium package for $50, resulting in a far higher earning potential. So, if you want to create a free account on Fiverr and start selling and generating money online, all you have to do is click the Become a Seller button. After there, you'll be brought to this website where you can create a free account. Just click on this right here and you will now be able to create your own account. You can continue to this website via Facebook, Google, or even Apple. But if you don't want to, you may also enter an email right here and click on Continue. PeoplePerHour.com is the second website I'd like to recommend to you for more money-making opportunities. When you are on the homepage of the website, just type in background removal and click on Enter. You'll see that there are a lot of people selling various services on this website. As you can see, people are promoting background removal services for as much as $35 just to remove a background, which is exactly what the remove.bg website allows us to do. As you can see, doing this in a few seconds with a few clicks and starting selling services on this website is fairly straightforward. And as you can see, by scrolling down below, there are a lot of sellers who make money by just erasing the backdrop of images just like I did previously. People are now asking $15, $25, $10, or even $40 for this service. So, if you're just a beginner, all you have to do is charge $5 and sell a lot of them. Now, there appear to be a lot of photos, but as you can see below, removing the backdrop automatically without any knowledge is fairly straightforward. So, if you want to join up for a free account on PeoplePerHour.com, just maneuver your mouse to the upper right portion and click on Sign Up right here. By doing so, you will be redirected to this page wherein you can now create your own account. Just select I want to work as a freelancer and sign up with a Facebook or email. And then enter your first name, last name, email, password, and click on Sign Up right here. Using these websites, hotpot.ai and remove.bg, you can make money on Fiverr.com and PeoplePerHour.com. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.